Tell me.
Hi, good morning everyone. Myself Nurat Fatima.
Myself Pratibha. Myself Pratibha.
Uh-huh.
Today, welcome to our exhibition on bridges. Bridges are the integral part of human civilization, connecting community and facilitating trade and engineer creativity. There are ceramic exhibits about the architecture of structure called arch gives an internal support to the bridge.
Now I am going to tell you about suspension bridge. Bridge have the cables of bridge with cables as a spring between two cars, two towers supporting the road bridge. Bridge play a vertical role to connect communications, fertilizations and transportations. Thank you for joining us.
Was it hold on.
Good morning.
Morning. Good morning to all.
My name is Sumaya. My name is Guru. We are going to visit different types of houses. Let's start from street house. Oh, it started from we should go to street house. But it's not safe. It is safe from floods, animals, and other natural disasters. Hello. Today we will see stilt house advantages. Stilt house is built of stilts and poles. This design helps to be safe from floods, animals, and other natural factors. Thank you. Mudabir, can you tell me in water bodies which house do we use? We can use boat house. Is it safe for this? Yes, it is safe. Boat house. This may be floating boat house or stationary boat house. Nowadays it is famous for parties. Let's go to next one. These are easy to carry, mostly by the parents and in forest and land. Lakshadweep.
Thank you.
Let's go to what meditation and let's go to Rajasthan. Rajasthan and other desert places. The houses are made up of mud and dry grass. Oh, that's better. Let's go. Let's take him to the Chindriyan and polar region. But they feel so cold. No, acts like an insulin. No, acts like an insulin. So they feel warm. Thank you. Finding work and enjoying it is rewarding and living in a proper shelter. Thank you. Good morning, ma'am. My name is Mohammad Abdul Qadir. My name is Mohammad Ayaz. Today we are going to tell about Tower of a marvel of medieval architecture. The largest minar in India, a symbol of power and
What is this?
going to introduce fundamental rights and constitution book. And now Neha will be telling about constitution. So the constitution was adopted in November 1949. So here in this constitution there are 448 articles and 12 schedules. So the father of constitution is B.R. Ambedkar. Now he will explain about fundamental rights. Fundamental rights. First right, equality. Right to equality. Everyone should get equal rights in this world. No one should get discriminated, especially girls and boys. Nowadays, everyone is getting discriminated because of that. Everyone is losing their jobs and they're feeling bad. So then, now next is right to freedom. freedom. Like everyone
Freedom of speech,
should be
freedom
free
of-
to everyone should be free to fly like a bird going out of the cage. And thank you. Now I introduce I hand over the my third fundamental right is about right to education. In our country, every citizen have a right to educate their children if they are lower or upper. So government has taken a scheme where they give a school enough free of cost. So next comes the fundamental fundamental of freedom of religion. In this, we should not discriminate between two religions. Here, we can choose any religion freely, and also the government will accept it and respect it. Thank you. Now,
My topic is the Indian rise to the exploration. Exploration includes the dignity and freedom of the persons, the properties of all forced to the child labor and the human. This topic is the constitutional remedies. Constitutional remedies is the fundamental right that all citizens are supposed to the Supreme Court and High Court, where they get judgment right. And minus the cultural education right. Cultural education right is our job to prevent to the next generation. Like government duty to know cultural education is happening. So thank you. Have a nice day.
Hello, I'm Kunal and I'm thrilled to introduce our team, Timeless Chronicles. Joining me on this exciting project will be my team members, Pritam R, Pritam VR and Rupesh. Today we'll be taking on a journey through the ages, exploring the ancient, medieval and modern eras.
Wait a minute.
My name is Purna. Today we're going to
Welcome to my project. Welcome to my project on the ancient period. In ancient period started in 3000 BC and ended in 500 CE. It marks the earlier development of the human civilization. It includes the pyramids of Giza, which are located on the Giza Plateau in Cairo, near Cairo in Egypt. It is constructed during the fourth dynasty of the World Kingdom. Welcome to my project on the medieval period. I am so glad that you're here because we are about to dive into one of the most fascinating eras in history. Imagine a time of grand empires, thrilling battles, vibrant cultures, and ingenious architecture. Let's start with the Maratha Empire. It was the major kingdom of 17th century in India. At the center of it was the Raigad Fort. An incredible fortress which marked the symbol of the Maratha power, as it was a marvel of engineering. Raigad Fort perched high on the hilltop of the Sahyadri mountains was nearly impossible to conquer. The brilliant King Shivaji Maharaj made it his capital. Here, every stone tells the story of courage, innovation, and pride. The major battles fought here were the sack of Raigad in 1689 and Maratha revival in 1770. So, if you have any questions, feel free to ask. I would love to help you explore even more about this interesting chapter of history.
Thank you.
Welcome to our project, modern period. This modern period is a period where people depend themselves to create something new with their ideas, knowledge, and innovation. People depend themselves to create new things. Examples: cars, buildings, and other more things with their technology. Now, my friend will explain how did it started and when did it start.
This period is dependent by the people dependent by the laborers because to build these buildings, and we can see very rare trees because of the buildings, and the modern period started in between of 15th to 16th century.
Thank you.
Thank you.
today we are here displaying the three types of civilization. That is Roman Empire civilization, ancient Greek civilization, and ancient Greek civilization. Before we get into what I would like to ask you, what is a civilization? Okay, let me tell you. A civilization is a process
place where we reach to a certain
Don't
reach to a
touch.
certain era or a period which is new in today's world. Here we talk about the different types of civilization in which we see the world's changes. And we would like to ask you for your opinion, which civilization would you like to choose to learn? This is the Roman Empire, the ancient India and the ancient Greece.
Say about India.
So I'm going to talk about India. So let's begin. India.
Hi, my name is Arjun. Today I am gonna say about element chemistry. This is a kind of chem. Nice to meet you. I say it to spin.
स्पिन उज़ैफा फिरा स्पिन करो.
Here is a question in civilization. Named after the man who made the system of classifying the elements. It is super and made in batches of a half dozen atoms of a time. Answer?
What?
I ask you a question. You may say, can you say the answer?
No, I didn't listen.
Named after a man who made the system of classifying the elements. It's super rare and made in batches of a half dozen atoms at a time.
Tell me, I don't know.
Mendelium.
Mendelium.
Thank you.
Myself, Tari. Today we are going to explore one of the most fascinating phenomena in our universe. Eclipse occurs when one celestial body moves of another shadow. Let's dive into the world of eclipse. Solar eclipse. When the moon passes directly between the
artist
Earth and the
used to swear by my yellow. I am highly toxic and can build up my body. If I make
sun
my
and
way,
the cast and shadow on the Earth. Thank you. Hello, good morning, ma'am. My name is Sanjay and my name is Ravi from class 6. Welcome to our exhibition of rotation of the Earth. Today we are going to explain how the Earth's rotation causes day and night. Rotation refers to the movement of the Earth on its axis is called rotation. In conclusion, rotation of the Earth is responsible for day and night. Axis of rotation, the line along which the object turns. Direction, rotation can be clockwise or counterclockwise. There are two types of rotations. Those are spin and revolution. Eclipse. Now my friend Varsha is going to explain how the Earth rotates and few places differ the timing. So Earth takes 24 hours to complete one rotation, and when one side receives day, the other side receives night. So light gets morning over here, and London is receiving night, and the South Korea and Japan is 1 hour 30 minutes faster than India, as sunrise first in Japan then in India, and Australia is 6 hours faster than India. It's evening over there. Thank you. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the wonders of world of rotation. Mom, can you please write the feedback?
कल दे तो वीडियो बना रही हूँ.
I'm Akshita. She's Lakshman Shashidevara. We are from 9th standard. Our topic is Earth effect. This is how our Mother Earth is created. God created a beautiful earth, creatures, animals, plants, trees, mountains, water, and many more. You can see here the trees don't have water for this survival, and people cut the trees and build the factories which causes air pollution, water pollution, which are dangerous for our lives, and the population of the vehicle is more, which causes air pollution. And this is called civilization. gases are attached in the atmosphere. This is also known as acidity. Now, I have a question for you. In a given area,